Once upon a time, in the days of yore, the cat and the rat were close friends. They used to play together, eat together, and walk together, and everybody in the animal kingdom thought they were inseparable. One day, the cat suggested to the rat that they should cross the river and visit the animals living on the other side of the bank. "That's a good idea, but how are we to cross the river?" asked the rat. "That's a problem for me. I know you can swim like a fish, but I can't," said the cat. Suddenly, a new idea flashed across the rat's mind. "I found a solution. Make a boat, a small one, so that both of us can cross the river safely," he said. The cat went home, and the rat went out looking for a log to make a boat. The cat had a hearty meal and slept, and the rat started making the small boat. The rat nibbled away at the center of the log for several days and made the boat ready. Then he invited his friend to cross the river in the boat. On a bright morning, the cat and the rat got into their tiny boat and started crossing the river. While riding the boat, the rat nibbled away at certain parts of the boat so that it looked nice. However, something unexpected happened when they were in the middle of the river. A sudden storm toppled their boat, and both the cat and the rat were thrown overboard. The rat started swimming, and the cat began to sink. "Please help me, I can't swim like you," the cat pleaded. But the rat ignored him and swam to the other side of the river. The cat had 9 lives, so the river could not swallow him up. The cat managed to cross over to the bank after a great struggle. Then he looked for his good friend. On seeing the cat, the rat ran fast and hid himself in a hole in a tree. The cat was angry over what his friend did to him. So he waited in front of the hole to teach the rat a good lesson. However, the rat never appeared. Even today, when the cat sees a hole in a tree or wall, he waits for the return of the rat. The cat just wants to teach the rat a good lesson. Moral: true friendship means standing by others in times of danger or risk losing them forever. Betrayal turns friends into foes. Choose loyalty. It's the glue that holds relationships together. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.